I used to be extremely scared to eat certain foods and gain a bunch of weight. Today I have my dream body that is becoming leaner, stronger, healthier, and fitter every single day. I'm going to teach you how I use gratitude and simple intention to allow myself to achieve this dream body effortlessly. So there are a lot of things that I do to overall get to this kind of dream body that I have, or maybe not even a dream body. I might want an even better body in the future, but right now I'm really happy with how it gets. And I know I do want a little bit more in the future, but essentially how this goes is all how I look at eating my meals, okay? So the first thing that I do is I do not restrict anything in my diet, okay? Now I do note that there are some foods that make me feel much better, as in healthier foods, right? And then there's other foods like junk foods that aren't as healthy, okay? I'm a fitness expert. I went to college for exercise science. I teach health and fitness to people. I actually have another channel called All Strong Fitness. You can go check that out as well. But long story short, I know that there are some foods that are usually a little more calorie dense, a little more not good for you, a little more processed, those junk foods, and there are foods that are healthier and better, okay? So that's the first thing. But even with this in mind, I used gratitude and intention during my meals that I eat to allow me to basically eat whatever I want, okay? So every time I sit down for a meal, no matter what it is, the first thing I do is I will talk to it. I will literally talk to the meal. If you're with people, if you're with friends, you can do this in your head, but I will literally say to the food, I am so grateful that you will allow me to be happy, you will allow me to be healthy, you will allow me to be wealthy, and you will fill my body with energy. You will allow me to be muscular, you will allow me to be fit, you will allow me to hold minimal fat over my belly, and you will allow me to be strong and do all the different things I want, okay? So that's my intention. I may say that a couple times while I'm eating it, before I even eat it, and then actually say it even more while I'm eating it, okay? Really enjoying the food, thanking it for all the energy it gives me, thanking it for the energy it gives me, and again, with the intention in the form of gratitude that this will not make me fat. I am so grateful that this food will only give me energy. I am so grateful that this food will make me muscular, strong, and fit. I am so grateful for all the wonderful things that this food is giving me. I'm so grateful for the experience of eating these wonderful, delicious things, okay? Coming from a sense of immense gratitude towards whatever it is, all right? So that's easy to do with healthy food because we, are born to think, and we know for the most part that healthier food makes us feel good. So what about when it's unhealthier food? This is something that I struggled with for a long time because as somebody who grew up kind of overweight, I was always scared to eat these certain foods and gain all that weight back. So this is where the fear really comes in, where I really had to go from a sense of gratitude. So I do the exact same things with these certain foods, but I'll kind of change it and say, even though this isn't the healthiest food, I'm still grateful that it will give me just as much energy, just as much pleasure, and just as much overall zest that healthy food will, right? I will also say things like this food will not make me fat, calories don't exist for this food, and simply reaffirm and be grateful for the fact that whatever I'm eating and putting into my body will help to repair my tissues, will make me healthier, it will make me happier, and it will make me overall stronger. And I've had huge success with this. I have been able to drop not a lot of weight. I've always been pretty lean, okay, so that is a side note. I've always been pretty active and pretty muscular basically when I was in high school with football and stuff, but that food addiction component was really the big thing. I was always lean, but in my head, I was a wreck. I was a mess. I could not even look at certain foods with always just calculating the calories, always overthinking it, and I would not eat a bunch of foods even if I wanted to, just because I felt like I was going to gain weight. There was so much guilt in that. If I ate that food, I immediately felt guilty. So that's going to be one of these big things. We can't feel guilty when we're eating the foods, and just going from that sense of gratitude has really helped me. And I know for a fact that with this little bit of intention, anytime you eat, anytime you drink anything, it will allow you to hopefully feel the same way that I do. So go ahead, comment down below, let me know your current struggles with either food addiction or just what's going on with your life. I know this helped me greatly and was one of the many laws of the universe tips I use, laws of attraction, laws of assumption, really helped me to improve my relationship with food. And now I absolutely love food, whatever food I put into my body, and it loves me back. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We help you improve your life with manifestation techniques, the laws of the universe, and everything else. We are so grateful that you are here with us. And if you want to know how I fully healed my body from nerve damage, from stomach pain, and complete weakness, you're going to want to check out this video right here, because I addressed that exact topic. We used a lot of good manifestation techniques, and I think you'll enjoy that. So click on that, and we'll see you next time.